Hello, welcome back to the Hebrew Family Files. If you're new here, you can hit the subscribe button to catch more future content like this one and turn on the bell to get notified when I post a new video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys just a couple number recognition activities that you can do with your children. Okay, let's see. For this number recognition activity, I am going to say a number and my child is going to have to pick out of the balloons which number I said. Then they're going to have to try to pop the balloon. So for this activity, I printed off a unicorn for my daughter, and I made sure it was black and white, and I wrote numbers inside the different parts of the unicorn, and she'll have to color each number whatever color I say. So if I say color the 5 pink, she'll color the 5 pink. And we'll do that for all the numbers until her unicorn is done. For this activity, I have a pack of gummy bears, cupcake liners, and some flashcards with numbers on them. And what my child is going to do is she's going to pick a flashcard from this pile, and then she'll put that many gummy bears into this cupcake liner. Then when she is done, she can eat the gummy bears. So for this activity, I have taken cupcake liners and wrote numbers 1 through 6 on them. And then I have seashells that we collected on Tabernacles, which I'll leave a link for the video on that below. And what my child is going to do is she's going to tell me what the number is, and then she's going to put that many seashells into each cupcake liner. For this activity, I taped pieces of paper to the wall and wrote numbers on them, and my child will have to put that many stickers into the box with the correct number. Okay, so those are the activities that I have for you today. As always, thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, you can leave a thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.